To set up ARB for subscription billing in Authorize Net, start by understanding what ARB is. ARB stands for Automated Recurring Billing, which allows you to automatically charge customers on a recurring basis. First, log into your Authorize Net account and navigate to the ARB section. Here, you can create a new subscription by clicking on the Add New Subscription button. Enter the customer's information, including their name, email, and payment method. Next, configure the subscription settings, such as the subscription name, description, and payment schedule. You can choose from various payment frequencies, including daily, weekly, monthly, or annually. Now, specify the payment amount and any applicable taxes or discounts. You can also set up a free trial period or an initial payment to be made before the recurring billing starts. After configuring the subscription settings, review and confirm the details. Authorize Net will then generate a subscription ID, which you can use to manage the subscription. To manage existing subscriptions, navigate to the ARB section and click on the Manage Subscriptions button. Here, you can view all active and inactive subscriptions, update subscription settings, and cancel or suspend subscriptions as needed. Best practices for setting up ARB include testing your subscription setup with a sample transaction, ensuring compliance with payment card industry security standards, and providing clear communication to customers about their subscription and billing details. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively set up ARB for subscription billing in Authorize Net and streamline your recurring billing process. This will help you to reduce administrative tasks, improve customer satisfaction, and increase revenue.